Where precision meets power, the journey of the Mercedes-Benz G-Class begins.
High-strength steel arrives, the foundation of unmatched durability.
Laser-guided systems carve the ladder frame chassis with micron accuracy. Robotic arms fuse steel into a rigid backbone, engineered for extremes. Solid front and rear axles, built for true off-road dominance.
Human expertise ensures every joint meets uncompromising standards.
Heavy-duty suspension absorbs the harshest terrains. Each engine begins as precision-crafted components. Hand-assembled, one engineer, one engine, pure performance. Advanced transmission systems deliver seamless power.
Powertrain meets chassis. Strength meets intelligence. Steel transforms into the iconic G-Class silhouette.
Each door engineered for that unmistakable solid close. The body takes shape, bold, box, unmistakable. Protection begins beneath the surface, built to last decades. Layers of perfection begin with precision coating.
Primer seals and prepares every inch.
Signature colors bring the G-Class to life. A flawless finish.
resistant, radiant, refined. A flawless finish. Resistant, radiant, refined.
Protected for the journey, ready for the world. The heart of the machine, securely integrated.
High voltage systems tested for flawless operation.
Every reflection is inspected. Perfection is mandatory.
Single-speed transmission, optimized for seamless acceleration. Power electronics convert energy, controlling every pulse of performance.
Adaptive suspension, tuned for balance between comfort and control. Carbon ceramic braking, delivering precision stopping at extreme speeds.
Electronic steering, translating driver intent into instant response.
Interior structure preed, for luxury and control.
Advanced liquid cooling, stabilizing performance under extreme demand.
High-performance electric motors, delivering instant torque with zero delay.
Thousands of connections, forming the nervous system of the Electrica.
A nervous system of intelligence runs through the vehicle.
Technology meets craftsmanship in every detail.
Hand-finished leather. Comfort engineered.
precision-fit glass seals the cabin.
Iconic design elements complete the identity. All-terrain capability begins at the ground. Vital fluids prepare the machine for life.
The heart awakens.
Powerful, controlled, alive. Every system is tested. Nothing is left to chance. Engineered to conquer terrain, not avoid it.
Final approval. Only perfection moves forward.
Sealed against the elements. Built for any climate. From factory floor to global roads. Protected for its journey across the world. Crossing oceans. Carrying precision engineering.
For urgency.
Even the scarping like the start of the
The sky becomes the highway.
The journey ends, and a legacy begins.
Arriving polished. Ready to command attention.